Hey Nailbaes, I'm back with the video and it is how to make your own acrylic powders. So that is some pigment that I put in those little containers. I got these containers from the Dollar Tree. You can get 10 or 12 for $1. It just depends on what your Dollar Tree has. And for this one, I added some white acrylic powder. So it's a little bit of pigment and some white acrylic powder. And I'm about to swatch it and show y'all how it looks. It does not take a lot of pigment to make acrylics. You can get pigments from online. You can get them from chalk that you have grinded up. If you are doing the chalk method, I would use a super fine drill bit and then just drill the chalk with your drill, and that's how you would get your pigment. That wooden thing right there, that is a mortar and pestle. I might not be saying it right, y'all, but I'll put all of that in the description. So when your acrylic does not come out super fine in one color, then that means that you have some chunks in your acrylic. So that's what I'm using that pestle for. I should have put it in the mortar. So I know I haven't recorded a video in a while. It's because my phone doesn't have enough storage. So when I record a video and I edit it, I don't have enough storage to download it back to my phone. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about that. But hopefully I can have another video by next week. And y'all let me know what y'all would like to see me do. Like, let me know. This came out so pretty, y'all, after I had to fight with it. Next is, I'm still grinding it. These acrylic powders will be for sale eventually once I get everything tied up. I will have regular colored acrylics and then I will have glitter acrylics. Maybe my video next week will be how to make your own glitter acrylics. And I can show y'all some swatches of my collection. But yeah, if y'all would be interested in buying some acrylic powders and some acrylic glitters, then leave that in the comment. Let me know what colors y'all would like to see. What kind of glitters y'all would like to see. If y'all would like to see glitters, just let me know everything so I can get this channel up and running. So when you're mixing acrylics, you can either mix your pigments with white or clear acrylic. If I want my acrylics to be lighter than what my pigment is, I always mix it with white. If I want to keep the same color as the pigment, I always use clear. Always. That's the mortar. And since I usually use all of the same size tips, my extra tips, I use those for swatches like I'm doing now. So I think my swatch tips are like 0s, 1s, 2s, in 3s, maybe some 8s, maybe some, I'm always using 5, 6, and 7 though. And y'all, please excuse the background. I had just got finished getting all my pigments together. As you can see from my gloves, they are tore up. On to the next color, hopefully. Yep, so this next color is a green. I am seeing what color it is without any acrylic, and it's a nice green. I don't have a green like that in my collection, so I'm just gonna add some clear to that. Shake, 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 shake. And when you make your own powders, every time that you use your powders, shake them up before you use them, because they will come out looking marbly and just not consistent in color. It's a really pretty green. Next is, I think that's red. And I think I just added clear to this one too.